Very good morning. Please switch on the videos. Good morning to all. Switch on the video. Yes. Anjo. Okay. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Let's see if others will join or not. Then, did you prepare the journal entries for that question, 34th question? Did you complete? No? Okay. We'll do it here. So I think we'll start with that. And 35, we stopped with 35, isn't it? I'll show you the journal entries, not this. 34th question. Okay, please do. Let others join. Then I'll discuss the next question. Yes, Irfan. Good morning. Please journalize. This is question number 34. We completed preparing revaluation account, capital account, balance sheet, everything was over. And this was pending. Okay. So first journal entry is here I have given general reserve appearing in the old balance sheet that is distributed to the old partners. It is written off from the old balance sheet. That means we are distributing it to the old partners in their old ratio. Okay. Now the next one is regarding the assets. What is happening to the asset? The decrease in the value of machinery and creation of provision for doubtful debts. So it is decreasing. So the entry is revaluation account debtor to machinery to provision for doubtful debts. Then increase in the building. Building account debtor to revaluation account. Then the profit from the revaluation account that is transferred to the old partner's capital. Is that over? Revaluation account debtor to Asad capital to Bubbly's capital. That is the profit balancing figure of the revaluation account. Okay, now the next entry is regarding the capital contribution and goodwill by the new partner. So he is bringing 30,000 as capital and premium 12,000. It's very heavy rain here. I'm screaming out of my voice. Okay. So that is cash account debtor to Chintan's capital to premium account. That is the capital contribution as well as the goodwill brought by the new partner. And next one is distribution of goodwill. We distribute goodwill to the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So premium 12,000 based on the sacrificing ratio we distribute it to Asad and Bubbly. Then from the capital account we found out that there is excess in Asad's capital. When the old capital and the new capital was compared, it was understood that there was excess. So that is transferred to Asad's current account. Why do we transfer it to the current account? Because in the question it is given, the capital accounts of Asad and Bubbly are to be adjusted by opening their current account. So we transfer it to their current account. Okay. Over. Yes, finish. Over. Now I will explain the next question. First listen to me, then we'll complete it. Okay? 35th question. The revaluation part is done. Am I right? The revaluation is over. Revaluation account we completed. Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
There is only two items in the revaluation account, the land and building and plant. Did you finish the revaluation account? Or do you want me to explain again?
No, ma'am, not finished.
Yes?
Not
Okay,
finished.
see, the question is number 35. Ashish Datta were partners and their ratio is given. Okay. And now they admitted Vimal for 1/5 share. Balance sheet is given. There is adjustment. The value of land and building has increased. So there is increase in the asset. Value of plant and machinery increased. There is increase in the plant also. Now, the goodwill of the firm is valued at 20,000. So, the value of goodwill is given. Now, Vimal, the new partner, he should bring capital to the extent of 1/5. His capital contribution is not given, but he should be bringing 1/5 share of total capital of the new firm. So we will be finding out what is the total capital of the firm, and from that 1/5 portion that should be brought by Vimal. Okay. This is the question. Now, we prepared the revaluation account. The revaluation account, we understood there is only two changes in the asset, revalued. Only two assets are revalued here, land and building as well as plant. So, in the revaluation account, when you prepare it, it will appear on the credit side. By land and building 15,000 because it is increasing by 15,000. By plant 10,000. Okay. So that's all. Now we will balance it. The balancing figure, it is 25,000 only. There is no item on the debit side. So the 25,000 we will distribute it to the old partners in their old ratio. So to Ashish capital 15,000 will be going. Then Datta's capital, how much? 10,000. That part is clear? So revaluation is done. Now here in the question, total capital of the firm. How to find the total capital of the firm? In the earlier cases, we found the total capital with the help of the capital contribution of new partner. With the new partner into reciprocal of his share. That is how we found out the new capital. But here in the question, the Vimal, the new partner is not bringing the capital, and also he is not bringing goodwill also. Because goodwill of the firm is given 20,000. Okay. Now, we have to find out the total capital of the firm based on the capitals of old partners. Okay, old partners. Now, let us find, first then we have to prepare capital account. Next, we will do the capital account part. Okay. I hope you have did the new profit sharing ratio calculation. That is over. Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Yes? I
Yes,
remember. I made you do this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Here, the new ratio of the new partner is given and no information is given about how the new partner has acquired it. So we know the old ratio itself is the sacrificing ratio, but we need to show how the working part of it. And not only that, here we require the remaining share. So this is needed. So please calculate this calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So here Vimal's share, it is given, that is 1 by 5. Vimal's share is 1 by 5 given in the question. So we take the total profit as 1. 1 is the total profit. Out of this 1, 1 by 5 belongs to the new partner. So 1 minus 1 by 5, that is 4 by 5 is for the old partners. Now how much? We understand that the new partner acquires his share by the sacrifice made by the old partners in their old ratio itself. Please switch on the videos. Okay, so how about Ashish? What is his new ratio now? Sacrifices, yes?
12 by 25.
Yes, 12 by 25, 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. 3:2 is their old ratio, so 3 by 5. That will give 12 by 25 his new share. Datta's capital similarly from 4 by 5, what was his sacrifice, into 2 by 5. And Vimal's share, we know it is given, that is 1 by 5. Now what is the next thing to do? We make the denominators same. Okay, the denominators are brought same. 12 by 25, 8 by 25 and 1 by 5 into 5 for numerator and denominator. So we get 5 by 25. So this is the new profit sharing ratio. And we know the remaining share from 1 after deducting the new partner's share, it is 4 by 5. This belongs to the old partners, isn't it? It is from this 4 by 5 we found out the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so this 4 by 5 is required now. It is the remaining share of both of them. Is it clear? That part is clear? You know new profit sharing ratio. Okay. Now, the next thing is, we are going to prepare the partner's capital account. We need to find out what is the new capital of the old partners. What is the new capital contribution to be made by the old partners? Now, how to do that? Okay, so let's start preparing partner's capital account. Okay, we don't know what is Vimal's capital. Let it be blank there. No problem. Leave it. Prepare partner's capital account. Give 3 columns: Ashish, Datta, Vimal. Okay. Now, balance brought down. What is this? 80,000 and 35,000. What is that? Yes? 80,000, 35,000. Which is that amount? Balance brought down. Irfan, where did this amount come from? 80,000, 35,000? Yes? Partner's capital account, balance brought down. What is this 80,000 and 35,000?
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet, yes, the capital that is given in the balance sheet. That means the old capital contribution made by Ashish and Datta. Any doubt? That is the balance brought down. We take it from the old balance sheet. Okay, now the next thing is by profit transfer from revaluation account. That is revaluation account we prepared. So the balance, the revaluation profit 15,000 and 10,000. That is this amount. For Ashish 15,000. Then Datta 10,000. Okay. Now by cash 36,000. It is not there now. Let it be blank. No problem. We'll do it last. Wait. Now this is the goodwill by Vimal's current account. Here Vimal is not bringing the goodwill, but the 20,000 goodwill, we share it. We'll find out what is the goodwill of Vimal. How much is the goodwill to be brought by Vimal, and that is distributed in the sacrificing ratio. Okay, first you listen, then we'll do. Vimal's current account 2,400 and 1,600. Now, what we do is, we will balance Ashish and Datta's capital account. Okay, 80,000 plus 15,000 plus 2,400, 97,400. And Datta, same way, we balance it. The balancing figure, this one. So, both the sides, same amount. Here, no items are there. So, the same amount will appear on the debit side as balancing figure. This is the new capital of new partner, Ashish and Datta. Okay? Now, see this 36,000, it is not there. We are going to find it out. Why? In the question, the capital